about our quarter cutter. We're really excited about this product. This tool measures 35 inches in length. It's designed to cut out quarter glass. This long reach allows you to plunge through that quarter glass and reach to the very end. Really nice tool, got a very tapered tip on it so that you can actually get into the urethane. As you can see, it uses our 3x10 inch reciprocating cutout tool blade. So those people out there that already use our cutout tools, your 3x10 inch blade will fit right into this guy. Quick release option, so you push this little button on the back and that's going to disengage the blade from the tool. To put the tool in, you just slide it right in, lock it in place. It also features a nice durable knurled steel handle, so if you needed to beat on this, you can use a mallet against this to get it through any additional urethane. All in all, we're super excited about this product. You can get this product through gtglass.com or through an authorized distributor.